I am Sivapriya. I am studying in 5th standard, Panchayati Union Primary School, Tiruchendurai, Anjanallur, Tiruchi. My ambition is a teacher. Now I am teaching the lesson animal fertilization. What is animal fertilization? This is ovum. This is sperm. Ovum is a female gamete. Sperm is a male gamete. What is fertilization? When the male gamete meets the female gamete, they begin fuse together. The fertilizations are two types: oviparous animals, viviparous animals. Some oviparous animals are newborn. One will have different development stages. Example: butterfly. The butterfly first stage egg. The butterfly second stage larva. The butterfly third stage pupa. The butterfly fourth stage adult butterfly. Do you understand?
Yes!
Kanisha, what is this?
Ovum is a female gamete.
What is this? Kanisha.
Sperm is a male gamete.
What is this, Nandana?
Oviparous animals, viviparous animals.
What is the butterfly's first stage?
Eggs.
What is the butterfly's second stage? Kalai.
Larva.
What is the butterfly's third stage?
Pupa.
What is the butterfly's fourth stage? Kavya.
Adult butterfly.
Very good. Thank you.